Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lola, and today I have another DIY for you. This one is super easy. I mean, anyone can do this. You can do it with your hand, but obviously it's always a lot easier if you do it with a sewing machine, so I think it's versatile. This is actually a requested video. Someone called Bianca, one of my subscribers, she asked for this tutorial to be done to make a hair bonnet. So I'm gonna do this tutorial, but I'm gonna do the hair bonnet, plus I'm gonna show you how to make it into a head wrap as well. Just like how you can see, I've tied my hair up now and it's looking so cute. I'm loving it. But it's also a hair bonnet, so it's like a 2-in-1. So I'm not gonna take my bonnet off because my hair is so messy right now. But yeah, this is what the bonnet looks like. You can see it's quite a decent size, so I've got a lot of hair in here right now because I have box braids, so you know it's comfortable. Yeah, so guys, if you want to see how I made this, keep watching. So we're gonna need some Ankara, satin lining, elastic, matching thread, measuring tape, pins, chalk and scissors. So guys, let's get into our tutorial. So first of all, we're going to need some fabric and we're going to need to fold it in. So this is it, and then we're going to fold it once like so. And then we're going to need to fold it again like this. So now we have 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, and 4. With our fold on this side. This is the folded side. So make sure that your measuring tape is at the corner of the fold. So the salvage edges are here, and then this is where the fold is. Yeah, so you want to make sure the tape measurement is here and take your measurement. So I said 13, so I'm going to mark here like so. Then keeping the measuring tape in the same spot, I'm going to measure 13 again. And I'm going to do the same thing all the way around. So now that we've measured our 13 inches all the way around, we can now cut. So now I'm going to fold this back up, and I'm going to use this as a pattern to cut out my satin lining. Now we're going to use our satin piece, folding it the same way we folded the Ankara fabric into 4 there. So we now have 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, our fold is on this side. So So you want to place the anchor the same way with the fold and the corner here. Have one circle here. This is the right side, and then we have another circle here. And this is the right side, the shiny side is the right side. So now we want to place right sides together. You can see our two circles. So now we're going to place right sides together. And then we're going to pin it down, and then we are going to sew all the way around. So let's add a few pins for now. Here's our circle. So now we need to sew all the way around and leaving an opening so that we can turn it the right way around. Guys, I've sewn all the way around. You can see my circle here. I've sewn all the way around, and I've left an opening here. I don't know if you guys can see the thread. So here's my opening. So now I'm going to turn it the right way. And once I've done this, I'm going to give it a good press. So now we want to know exactly how much elastic to use. So we need to sew another border. Normally want to go about a 1/4 inch bigger than the elastic. So for example, if my elastic is 1 inch, I want to sew my casing about 1 inch and 25. Now I want to stitch all the way around. You can see I've pressed the opening down as well. So I want to stitch from here all the way around until I get Okay guys, so we have now sewn all the way around. You can see our casing, and this is our hole that we left earlier. So now we are going to feed our elastic through the casing, and we're nearly done, guys. So next, guys, you're going to need a safety pin, and then we're going to attach this to the elastic, and then now we are going to start feeding it through the casing, like so. You do want to kind of pin the other side to make sure it doesn't come through, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to pin this. So now we're going to pull this back in, and then now where the opening is, we now want to close this. So now we now want to tuck this in, and now right on the edge we want to close that opening. So guys, you can see where I've stitched it right on the top here, very close to the edge. So now I can Guys, if you want to make this into a bonnet plus a head wrap, you want to make a strip like so. You want to make it about 100 inches. The whole length, you want it to be like 100 inches. And then you want to fold it together once you've sewn it all around. So you want two pieces like so. You want two of these, and then you want to sew them together, right sides together, and sew all the way around, leaving an opening. And once you've left the opening, you want to turn it the right way and give it a good press, and then sew up, iron it out, and then sew up the opening, and then you will get something like so. And then the next thing you want to do is fold it in half. get the midpoint, and then on your bonnet at the midpoint, probably the same place where you did your opening, you now want to attach, you now want to sew this on with a little stitch. So you want it to kind of come over and stitch it on like so. Not all the way, just a little stitch. And then you will have your bonnet head wrap. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I thought that was so quick and easy. I think anyone can do that. And yeah, if there are any questions, as I always say, feel free to let me know in the description box below. And if there are any other tutorials that you guys would like to see, just like Bianca did, let me know in the comment sections down, and I will definitely try my best to get it out for you guys. Guys, if you haven't thumbs up already, please do now. And then don't forget to hit the red button and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of me. Definitely also hit the bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao!